Hello, this is Dr. Bolden. I'm glad to have you in the thesis course this 8 weeks. And my goal is to help each of you succeed in completing your thesis project. So, some things I want to go over. The course syllabus is located here. So you want to make sure you will review that and let me know if you have any questions. Now, one of the main things to understand with this course, this is a pass-fail course, and there are 5 things that need to be completed in order for you to pass the course. There are 2 APA quizzes. There's an IRB certification. There is your thesis proposal itself, and there is your presentation. All right, so those are the 5 things that have to be completed in order for your thesis to be approved. For several weeks there will be discussions. The discussions are helpful. They are not required. So I want to make sure that you understand that discussions are helpful, but they are not required. All right, so for this week, let's make sure you know what it is that you're going to be doing. Now, the text that we use is the Mills and Gay. It is also used in the research course 50/40, so you don't have to do a very careful read. This is generally reviewing each of these chapters to get the information that you need. So where it says to read Chapter 2, Preparing a Research Report, and Chapter 1, Introduction to Educational Research, just kind of refamiliarize yourself with those. The APA Chapter 6, Crediting Source, this is where your quiz will come from this week, so you want to make sure you have your book with you while you're working on your quiz. This is a video about professional quality resources. One of the key things as you are working is you have to use professional resources, and so this goes into good depth of what those are. Quiz number 1, when you click on the quiz drop box, it will open and show you the questions for the quiz. So you see there are 6 questions. You're going to want to use your APA book in order to answer these questions. Now, you do have to pass with a 90% or higher in order to achieve your quiz number 1. What happens if you don't pass, I will give it back to you with some feedback, and then you will use that feedback to fix any of the questions that needed to be fixed, and then you'll resubmit it. And so once it's at the 90% or higher, then you'll be good to go. All right, and then the other thing you will submit this week is Proposal Chapter 1. So as you look through your action study, grant study, or research study, Chapter 1 is where you kind of introduce what your research plan is. And so you will want to complete that this week. Now, Thursday, I will be on campus from 4 to 7. We will be upstairs in the Darby. And so if you come up the stairs, we're in Faculty Suite 3. If everybody comes, I'll move down to the conference room so we have more space. So this is what I recommend. If you're able to come, I will work with you through your Chapter 1. We will address what type of research you want to do, what kind of plan, coming up with your research questions. Okay, so I will help you kind of plan that out. And then we'll give a brief outline of kind of what to start working on towards your lit review. Okay, so that would be on Thursday from 4 to 7. You can come in at any time. You don't have to stay for the full time, and if you need to be there a little bit later than 7, just let me know and I'm happy to stay. If you're not able to come on Thursday, we can talk on the phone. Obviously it'd be easier in person to help work this out, but I'm happy to talk you through it. So the plan is to help you get what you need in order to get off to a good start. I would recommend completing your quiz before Thursday. Go over the action grant and research just to get an idea of how they're different and what the different requirements are. And then Thursday we can actually take a look at which one will work best for you depending on what it is that you want. So I hope this helps. Send me emails, if you call, I will do my best since we're in and out of the office at this time. But I want you to be successful, so I'm here for you. All right, have a lovely week. I hope I will see everybody on Thursday. God bless and take care.